In the northwestern India, explore the Aravalli range of mountains, an epitome of natural and human history. About 150 kilometers from Ahmedabad, I explore the Aravalli Mountains Polo Forest. I go trekking, bird watching, adventuring amid the lush green forest and lake. Tents are of quintessential treat, food and hospitality. This is the exquisite tent city. Surrounded by these lush green forests and wonderful ecology, I continue my adventure over the hills, hiking, climbing and rappelling, and living the adventure. Come and explore the exquisiteness of mountains. Come back to life. Come to Gujarat.